What are firewalls and fire barriers in building codes? Imagine a fire breaking out in a building and spreading rapidly. Now think about how building codes help prevent that chaos from spreading everywhere. That's where firewalls and fire barriers come into play. They are special parts of building design that keep fire from moving too fast and causing more damage or danger. Firewalls are the strongest kind of fire resistance wall. They run from the building's foundation all the way up past the roof. They are built to stay standing even if the building on either side collapses during a fire. This means they can split a building into separate sections or even keep two buildings apart. Firewalls usually have a fire resistance rating of 2 to 4 hours, with 3 hours being common. They are not load-bearing, which means they don't hold up the building but are reinforced with extra supports called buttresses or pilasters to stay stable during a fire. Firewalls are especially important in large buildings or tall buildings where fire safety rules requiring clear separation. On the other hand, fire barriers are walls or assemblies that also resist fire but are a bit different. They run from the floor to the ceiling or roof deck above and are meant to stop fire and smoke from moving within a building. Fire barriers are used to divide a floor into smaller fire areas or compartments, helping control how fire spreads horizontally and vertically. Their fire resistance ratings are usually from 1 to 4 hours, depending on what the building needs. Fire barriers are attached to structural parts of the building and are key for protecting escape routes and hazardous areas. They also help keep the fire from jumping into other parts of the building. Both firewalls and fire barriers are required by building codes like the International Building Code and standards from the National Fire Protection Association. These rules make sure buildings are designed to slow down fire spread, giving people more time to escape and firefighters a better chance to control the fire. Firewalls are mainly used to separate large sections or different buildings, while fire barriers focus on dividing spaces within a building. Proper installation and maintenance of these walls, including fire-rated doors and shutters, are essential to keep them working during a fire. Knowing how these systems work helps everyone stay safer and makes fire safety plans more effective.